Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and today we're going to be making a delicious and refreshing pink lemonade, which is the perfect drink to make all summer long. You can find the link for the recipe in the description of the video, but you can also find it at sweetiesalado.com/en. To make this pink lemonade, we're going to use my homemade lemonade recipe, which you can also find on my blog. And the reason for that is because it's super easy to make and it's simply delicious. So to make it, we're going to start by making a simple syrup. And to make that, we're going to combine equal parts water with equal parts of white granulated sugar. We're going to give this a stir, bring it to a simmer, and then simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the sugar dissolves. After that, we're going to remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. To make the lemon juice, we're going to use fresh lemons, and the best lemons are always going to be the ones that have that vibrant yellow color and give a little when you push them. You can also use bottled lemon juice, but using fresh lemons is always best. To make the lemon juice, we're going to use a lemon squeezer, and we're going to squeeze the lemons until we get about 1 cup of lemon juice. And for that, it's going to take about 5 to 6 medium to large size lemons or 3 of the very huge lemons that you can find at the grocery store. Once we have 1 cup of lemon juice, we're going to pour it into a large pitcher using a strainer to make sure we get most of that pulp and those seeds from the lemons. We're also going to add our cooled simple syrup and about 8 to 9 cups of very cold water. We're going to give it a stir, and at this point we have made the most delicious lemonade. So if you just want to make plain lemonade, all you have to do is put it in the fridge for a couple of hours before serving. But since we're going to be making pink lemonade, we're going to be adding beet juice to the lemonade to give it that beautiful pink color. This is a natural ingredient and you can find it at most grocery stores. And the amount that we're going to be using for that color is going to be so small that you're not going to taste it at all. There are other ingredients that you can use, and I list them all on the blog if you want to check them out. To make this lemonade pink, we're going to be adding a few drops of beet juice at a time until we get the pink tone that we're looking for. For me, that's about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of beet juice, but if you want a deeper pink color, you can go ahead and add more. And once we get the pink color that we want, we're going to place the lemonade in the fridge for a few hours before serving. And then all we have to do is serve it with plenty of ice, maybe a few slices of lemon, and a sprig or 2 of basil or mint. And that's your recipe for making the most beautiful and refreshing pink lemonade.